About this item, the timer remote is used to trigger the camera's shutter with delay shooting / self timer, bulb shooting / long exposure timer, interval timer, exposure count control, remote switch function. Delay time and exposure time, 0s to 99 hours 59 minutes and 59 seconds in 1 second increments. Interval time, 1s to 99 hours 59 minutes and 59 seconds in 1 second increments. Shooting amount 1 to 399 and unlimited. Speaker on / off. The remote release button is pressed halfway for autofocus, and fully pressed to trigger the camera's shutter. The remote control has an LCD screen. Short press the lighting / lock button to light up the backlight. Long press the lighting / lock button to lock the screen. Operation. Compatible with Canon EOS, Canon 760D, T6s, /750D, T6i, /700D, T5i, /1300D, T6, /1100D, T3, /1000D, XS, /650D, T4i, /600D, T3i, /550D, T2i, /500D, T1i, /450D, XSI, /400D, XTi, /350D, XT, /300D, /100D.